Good day, learners! Welcome back again to Broadband Installation. Today, we are going to talk about what will be your home-based activities. First, what is the learning competency? Design and create online website. What are the learning objectives? After this lesson, you must be able to, number 1, understand the concepts and principles in website designing. Number 2, create website using free website builder. Number 3, recognize the importance of having website in a business. What are your tasks? Number 1, create web page. 5 pages. Mockup design as an internet service provider. Number 2, establish online website as an internet service provider. And here is the performance criteria. Observe carefully the critical aspects in performing the task on the left side, as well as the equivalent points on the right side. It is rated from 1 to 10. Also, the grade equivalent points at the bottom. Reminder, if you got a failure grade, you need to rework again your output. Okay, now let us proceed to the guide in designing websites. Okay, learners, on this part, gusto ko magkwentuhan tayo. Ano-ano kaya ang mga dahilan kung bakit kailangan ng isang negosyo ang website? Una-una, your competitors probably have one. Oo nga naman, maaaring ang competitor mo ay meron ng existing na website. Ang tanong, papahuli ka ba? Next, gain competitive advantage. Kung wala namang website ang competitor mo, ito naman ngayon ang iyong advantage. Customers and potential clients now expect business to have websites. Sa panahon ngayon, ang customers natin or yung mga potential client ay inaasahang meron tayong website, lalong-lalo na kung mid-level ang ating business. Kung wala naman, hanggat maaari ay meron tayong Facebook pages or other platform. Businesses with websites are easily accessible. Ano yung ibig sabihin dito, learners? Easily accessible. Sa panahon ngayon, halos lahat may gadget, halos lahat merong internet access. So, anytime na gustuhin ng customers natin or potential client na bisitahin yung website natin, yun ang sinasabing easily accessible. Your website can attract new customer through Google. So, ang ibig sabihin yan, maaari may bumisita lang sa website natin at merong part doon sa website natin na nagustuhan nila. So, ito ay maaaring maging potential clients natin. A website proves your brand and credibility. Sa mga susunod na slide, ito ay mapapaliwanag. Ganon din, ang website makes you look more reputable and trustworthy. Next, you can showcase your product services the best way possible. Kung may website ka, gawin mo na lahat ang kaya mong gawin para mapaganda sa tingin ng mga customers natin or potential clients ang ating ino-offer na products, ganun din sa services. A website is more affordable than traditional advertising. Ang traditional advertising, ang mga example nito is yung mga pamimigay ng brochure. Magkaroon ng mga advertisement na posters na nakikita ng mga tao sa mga kanilang dinaraanan. A website is easier to keep up to date compared doon sa traditional advertising. Your website stays open 24 hours per day. So, ito yung kagandahan. No? Unlike doon sa office, na-entertain natin yung customer natin in regular hours. 8 in the morning until 5 p.m. sa afternoon. So, kung meron tayong website, makakapag-inquire pa rin or makakakuha pa rin ng information yung ating mga customers. Next, having a website will end up saving you time. So, kung traditional nga ang ginagamit mo as marketing strategy, compare mo naman sa website, marami tayong pwedeng gawin. And lastly, it can help you business grow. So, sa lahat ng nabanggit, ito ay patunay na guaranteed na yung negosyo mo ay mag-grow sa tulong ng website. And here is the guide in designing websites. Branding, Identify your site's purpose, website structure, usability, UI, UX, choose your platform, gather your materials. Para naman sa branding. Branding is the process of creating a strong positive perception of a company, its products or services in the customer's mind by combining such elements as logo, design, mission statement, and consistent theme throughout all marketing communication. So, ang pinakasentro ng branding natin is yung logo at yung ating company's mission statement. On this slide, makikita ninyo ang logo here, left side, top left side, at yung mission statement ng company. Paki-observe mabuti. Reminder, saan ito makikita? Dito sa About Us, sa portion na ito. Next, identify your site's purpose. The purpose of a service-based business website is to convince website visitors that they should become customers of the service company. This is done by positioning the company as a dependable, trustworthy, and experienced service provider in the target market. May mga guides na naibigay kanina, naipaliwanag na natin yung ibig sabihin ng branding. And next, ano naman yung tinatawag na trustworthy? On this slide, ito yung purpose ng company. Pinapakita sa website nila yung kanilang customer focus and excellence. So, nilagay din nila yung kanilang integrity, teamwork, teaching and learning, and meritocracy. And next, for the website structure. Site structure refers to how you organize your website content. A website often consists of content on a variety of related topics presented on posts and pages. Site structure deal with how this content is grouped, linked, and presented to the visitor. On this slide, let us assume na meron kayong gagawin na 5 pages. No? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, magkakaroon kayo ng mga navigation button doon sa website ninyo. And ang gusto ko, hindi mawawala ang residential button, business, meron ding about us, and gusto ko meron ding help and support, and promos. So, yung 5 pages na yon, gusto ko i-link niyo doon sa inyong main navigation button. Okay? Usability, UI, and UX. In the case of websites and software applications, usability has been defined as the ease at which an average person can use the software or website to achieve specific goals. Usability is comprised of learnability, memorability, efficiency, satisfaction, and errors. So, ang sabi dito is defined as the ease at which an average person can use your website. User-friendly, madaling gamitin ang iyong website, and error-free. Yun ang ibig sabihin ng usability. Next, user experience. UX is the interaction and experience users have with the company's products and services. User interface, UI, is the specific asset users interact with. For example, UI can deal with traditional concepts like visual designs, elements such as colors and typography. In short, yung UX, ito yung experience nila doon sa webpage mo. So, hindi tayo masyadong sa sentro dito dahil malalaman lamang natin ito sa pagkakandak ng survey doon sa mga bumisita doon sa website natin. Para naman sa UI, be careful on the colors and typography na inyong gagamitin. So, ang may papayo ko sa inyo dyan, mag-observe kayo na mga color scheme, combination of color na ginamit doon sa kanilang website. And doon naman sa typography, i-consider ninyo yung old age na babasa doon sa type of font na gagamitin ninyo. So, pinaka-common dyan, hindi mawawala talaga. Pwede nyo gamitin is Arial and Verdana as well as the Calibri. Okay, balikan natin yung usability. Idadagdag ko lamang na ang ibig sabihin din ng usability ay kung ano yung purpose ng pagbisita ng mga customers natin or yung mga potential clients natin is ma-achieve ba nila? Makikita ba nila agad ito sa iyong website? Katulad ng mga transaction like pag-place ng order, reservation, or maging pag-download ng mga forms or file na kailangan nila. Itong mga nasabi kong transaction ay pasok pa rin sa usability. Dapat ito ay error-free. Okay, next, usability UI UX. On this slide, ilan lamang ito doon sa example na makikita nyo doon sa help and support. Pagmasdan maigi. Self-help guides, bills and payment, service advisories, product and services, cable channel and video on demand, Sky subscriber, FB communities, business centers, and directory. Ito ay under sa help and support. Ang company is yung Sky Broadband. Example lamang ito. Ang pinaka pino-point out dito is yung kapag bumisita yung ating customers is yung mga services na pinoprovide mo rito under the help and support ay error-free ba? So, maaaring pag bumisita sila dyan ay mag-expect sila na matutulungan sila. So, dapat working lahat ang ating mga services na nilagay online. Next, choose your platform. Here is the list of the best free website builders. So, nagbigay ako ng 1 to 11 na maaari nyo mabigay. Ito ay free website builder. So, ang pinaka-common dyan is yung Wix and Weebly. Pero kung komportable kayo doon sa ibang free website builders or maaaring nagamit yun na, ay hindi ko kayo pipigilan. Next, gather your materials. So, wag nyo kalilimutan na kailangan nyo gumawa ng logo. Mag-research na lang kayo. May mga free website din naman sa paggawa ng logo. So, napakadali naman gumawa doon. Then, yung content, brainstorming kayo kung ano yung magiging content ng website niyo, yung mga web pages niyo. Doon sa nabigay ko example kanina na dalawang company, maaari nyo bisitahin yun at magkakaroon kayo ng idea. Yung Sky Cable at Converge. Then, mga images. So, maaari mag-search na lang kayo sa internet at hanggat maaari ang gamitin yung mga images is yung free. I mean, yung nasa Creative Commons. Nasa settings naman yon doon sa Google. And then, videos, sa internet na lang din kayo kubuha. Sa YouTube, example lang naman. Then, testimonials, hindi ko kayo i-require. Pero kung gusto nyo maglagay ng testimonials o review para mas magandang tingnan yung page, is okay lang. Okay, next, panoorin natin ang ginawa kong video tutorial ng Wix. Hey guys, so today I wanted to do a quick tutorial on how you can easily create a nice looking website with Wix. Now, once you are go to the process of actual signing up, it's really easy. You just put in your username and password, and again, pretty straightforward and easy to do then. You will have the option to choose a template. Now, what kind or website would you like to create? For example, if you want a website that showcases your products or promote the services of your business, you can find one that would be related to that. Now, for example, I'm going to create a professional education website. So, I am going to go ahead and click on Other. So here you are provided with a bunch of stylish website templates based on your category. So you can scroll through all the pages, find the template you like the best. You have the option to first view a template to get a sense of how it will look. And if you like the layout of this one, I'm going to go ahead and click on the edit button in the corner. So for me, and my favorite functionality in Wix is the drag and drop feature of any of the elements you see on page. So, there's no coding required. You simply drag and drop text, images, menus, and galleries to any location you want. You will be given option to manipulate it however you wish, but first, let's start with the page background. So you can click on the background and change the page design here or the page background here. A page background allows you to change the color, image, or video of the background. And Wix does provide awesome stock photos and videos for the use of your background. Now, if you have a video would you like to use, you can go ahead and click on upload video. Select the video, upload it, and then click change background. Now, the size limit of the video is 50 megabytes, but we can help preview our site here to see the video background in action, which is pretty cool. You can also find the background option in the menu bar on the left. Now, I want to change the title of the website, so let me first ungroup these text boxes. You want to double click on text box or click on edit text. You can change the font size and resize the text boxes using the lines and small circles. Now, you can group multiple elements or items on a Mac. You are going to hold the command button and then click. And then for PCs, you're going to press Ctrl and then click. And then after selecting multiple elements, the Group Elements button will appear, and you can also choose to animate your elements as well. You can delete an element by clicking on it and then pressing delete on your keyboard. So let's go ahead and save what we have so far now. Add the logo of my site. I will go to the Add section on the left, go to Image and Image Uploads, and then select an image that you can also upload an image from your computer. Now, since that there's some extra space here, I'm going to add a photo gallery. So to do this, go back to Add Gallery and select the gallery. I will add the slideshow strip and place it at the top. Click on it to change the images and add effects. You can upload or select your images and then click Done. In settings, you have the option to autoplay and indicate the amount of seconds between each image. And I kind of want to filter effect my image in my slideshow. So, what I can do is to add a strip background. You have a lot of elegant design strips, but for my purpose, I'm going to choose the classic white and then place it over my slideshow. Now, click on Change Strip Background, go to Settings, and then change the opacity. And you can also include a video or from YouTube or Vimeo. I double click on the video and then search for a video, or you can type in the URL of a specific video. I have the option to autoplay loop and also take away controls. Other will be times when you want an element and everything below it had to group up or down. And so to do this, click on the element or elements and drag. The drag handled, as you can see everything below what you selected gets dragged up or down, and you can view all your web pages up here. I rearrange any pages and rename them by double clicking. You can add a page here to change its info like the name, hide it from the menu, or set it as your homepage. Now, you can also choose the layout, add restrictions, and add SEO information to help people better find your page on search engine. I want this blog page to be fit in the menu at the top. Simply click here and drag the page to the specific location. Now, Wix allows you to integrate a blog into your site. So go back to Add Blog and choose a layout. Manage your blog here or add new blog post. If you have social media accounts for your brand or company, I do recommend going to Add Social and then adding social bar here. You also have the option to include cool social media, the widgets, and button. So drag the social bar into any location. I click Set Social Links and then add link to each icon. You don't have to use these icons. You can upload your own if you have them on your computer. And then up next is a very popular Wix app market. Here, you can insert apps that enrich your website and provide more functionalities. For example, you can add a chat feature, an online store booking features, apps for restaurants, marketing, and even music. Right now, I will show you how to add the Instagram app. The first, I will need to decide which page I want to place that on. So I think I will place it under the work page. The sound I hear indicates that you can see the page on the top menu. So okay, now I am ready to add my Instagram app. Do click on social and find the app and then click on settings. Then connect account and type in your username and password. And settings, and you can change the layout, additional settings, and design. Every time you upload a picture on Instagram, it will automatically appear here. These types of widgets can be powerful tool. So if your web page is really long, I recommend inserting an anchor menu like this one. Go to add menu, scroll down to the anchor menus and select one. Visitors can navigate your page with just the simple click, which also allows you to edit the mobile version on your site. So click here and switch to mobile view. Here, you can optimize the look of your site when seen on a smartphone or tablet. So now that we're done, it's time to publish this site, and now your website is live, and all this again can be temper free, which is really cool. You do have the option to upgrade your site here, and you can connect your site to a professional domain and also remove the Wix brands ads you will find on the free version. Feel free to take advantage of this free website builder. But otherwise, thank you so much for your time. I really appreciate you guys watching. Stay safe out there, and I will look forward seeing your projects. Good luck! Okay learners, para sa inyong reference, visit the link na makikita nyo sa baba. Ito ay para sa parts of website at na-explain din dito ang mga terms para sa web design. Learners, thank you very much for your time. Para sa mga inyong katanungan and clarification, mag-usap-usap tayo sa GC at magkakaroon din ng mga ilang announcement patungkol dito sa ating Google Classroom. Good day and good luck sa inyong output.